And that's the lunchtime news. Our next news is at 20 to 6. The weather now from Michael Fish.
Good afternoon. Well, a real battle going on the weather charts to show you today between two completely opposing forces. First of all, we've got one of the forces is here in the north, the cold easterly winds, and then down in the south we've got mild westerly winds, and a pretty sharp dividing line, or battle zone as you might call it, depicted here by this trough of low pressure. This has got both the red semicircles and the blue triangles on, showing that it's an occluded front. And it's along this sort of battle line here that all that rain's been in the last day or so, and you may have seen the floods on the news earlier. In the next day or so, nothing really is going to change very much, although there will be subtle changes. To begin with, the low pressure areas that are associated with that trough there are beginning to fill up now and gradually move away. And this means, I think, that the intensity of the rain will diminish, and the rain area itself probably beginning to sort of shrink upwards during the next 12 hours or so. And then very gradually, I think, over the weekend, we may well find this trough edging a little bit further southwards, bringing that somewhat colder weather down to perhaps, say, 3/4 of the country, although the southwestern corner there is probably still staying on the mild side, and it is an unsettled outlook for the weekend with rain or showers around, and even some sleet or snow in the north. Still, that is a long way off. Let's come back and put some detail on today's weather now. Well, in a way, we've got I suppose you might call it a giant sandwich over the country. We've got two bright areas, and then in between that pretty dull, wet area. Starting in the north, the first bright area is the far north of Scotland, where most places will have a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, and one or two wintry showers from time to time. And then to jump straight away down to the other bright area, which is the more southern part of the country, South Midlands, southwards to the south coast. There, most places having sunshine as well this afternoon from time to time, but one or two showers coming through, these showers more especially along the south coast and in some of these western areas. And a fairly mild afternoon too in the brighter south, but on the cold side in the brighter north. And then the bit in between, well there, the rest of the afternoon looks as if it's going to be pretty dull and cloudy, with further rain or sleet from time to time, and snow even, more especially on the northern hills. Although, as I said a while ago, as the afternoon goes on, I think the intensity of the rain is going to die away, so although some of that rain on the heavy side to begin with, it should gradually get lighter as the afternoon goes on. And the same thing happening during the night, that area of rain, sleet or even snow tending to gradually peter out during the course of the night, although not stopping completely, still further rain or sleet around right throughout the night. In the northwest of Scotland, enough clearances, I think, to give a touch of frost, and one or two mist patches in the drier south as well.
This is BBC One.